So you're over 60. Maybe retirement's creeping up on you. Maybe you already handed in your office key card and now you're staring at the calendar thinking, what now? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome. I'm Lisa Renee, and here at the Laptop Retirement, we believe that life after 60 is really not about slowing down. It's about reinventing, renovating, and building something new. Whether you're a woman over 60, my main tribe, or one of the men that is wondering what is this all about, you're welcome. You're going to find tools, ideas, and maybe a few laughs along the way. So, what do we talk about? Affiliate marketing. And I make it simple because all this tech stuff shouldn't feel like rocket science. Now, I do real reviews, especially focusing on Wealthy Affiliate, the platform I use. And I use it because it works. But I'll never sugarcoat anything. I also talk about side hustles that fit in retirement. And no, I don't mean DoorDash, Uber shifts, or selling leggings to your neighbors. I've done them all. And of course, motivation and mindset. Because half the battle is believing you're not too old for this. This is just our second act. So, are you wondering where to start? I got you. Watch my first video. I've linked all this below. Why after 60 is a perfect time to start affiliate marketing. And grab my free guide. I've got that below as well. It's called the Laptop Retirement Starter Kit. And if you're brand new and don't really understand what this is all about, affiliate marketing, check out all my blog posts, Affiliate Marketing 101. And like I said, all the links are down in the description below. So, don't forget to hit subscribe. And by all means, think of this channel as your cozy coffee shop corner. A place to learn, a place to laugh a little, and to figure it all out, and how to build online income and purpose in your second act. You're never too old. In fact, you're right on time. So welcome to the Laptop Retirement. Let's get started.